Hey, thanks for watching today's really quick video. My name is Ron Ipach, and I'm here to help you succeed in your business. What I'd like to talk about today is what are you doing, or what have you done, depending on the time of day that you're watching this video. What have you done to take you closer to your goals today? See, far too often we go through the day doing the exact same thing over and over and over, and never really moving forward. We tend to get in that rut, doing the same old, same old. I know you've had this problem. At the end of the day, you look back on what you got done, you realize you might have been like a professional firefighter, just putting out fires all over the place, never really moving forward, or doing, like I mentioned before, the exact same thing you did yesterday and the day before and the day before. Look, I know we all have goals and dreams and things that we want to excel at and get better at and make our business better and our personal lives better, take more time off, make more money, whatever it is. Maybe you need to hire that key person. So, for the auto repair guys out there, I know technicians are really difficult to find. If you need a technician, what did you do today? I mean, today, to get you closer to finding that technician? If you need more customers, what did you do today to get more customers in your business? If you need to make more money, what did you do today that was different than yesterday that's going to help you make more money? You get the drift. I can go on and on and on. Really, all I'm getting at is never, ever, ever end the day without at least first doing something that's going to take you closer to your big goal. Okay, forget about the same old, same old. Let's do something different that's going to take you one giant step or even a teeny tiny step towards your goal. I hope this helps. Take care, everybody. Thanks for watching. Whoa, before you go, please do me a big favor. If you like what you're seeing and you want to see more of it, go down below this video right now and click the like button. I'd really appreciate it.